Right, as promised in the previous video showing the tyre plug, the tyre has now been demounted, as you can see there, the wheel and the tyre, and we're going to take this and have a look. Okay, so spin the tyre around and I'm going to get a light in here so we can see what this looks like. I'll try and get that so it's not glaring on there, but you can see what's going on. Yeah, so as you can see, that the best way I can describe that is it looks like something unpleasant a small creature has left inside the tyre, and it's actually, let's see if I can hold this and give this hand free. You can see that it's very sort of soft, rubbery and pliable. So obviously once the tyre is filled with air pressure, what will happen is that will actually squash up onto the inner wall of the tyre, helping the sealed air. But you can see that's well and truly stuck inside there, whichever way you pull it, and it's very clearly bonded well to the rubber, and even having had a grip of it and a good old yank about, it's obviously not moving anywhere in a hurry. So yeah, so now I've seen one on the inside of the tyre, rather than just what you see on the outside of the tyre. It's quite evident that these are very, very secure, and it's certainly not going to pop out in a hurry under pressure or anything. And because of the shape of it, because it's so soft and flexible, obviously as soon as you get any air in, what's going to happen is it's going to squash that and spread it out, so there's absolutely no chance of that being forced out under pressure. So there you go, just a short little clip, but that's essentially what one of these looks like inside the tyre. So if you've ever wondered, as I have, because I do wonder these random strange things, there you go. It looks like yeah, it looks like an unpleasant animal deposit, but clearly works very well. Thanks for watching.